second years. I'm here today to teach you about division. Division is another math operation like addition or subtraction, which you've already learned. In your week 13 work package, you have some word problems and you must use division in order to solve those word problems. So what is division? So division is when you take a group of objects and then split or divide that quantity up evenly into smaller equal groups, making sure to share the quantity equally so that each new group ends up with the same amount. Basically, division is all about sharing and making sure to be fair when you share, or sharing fairly or fairly sharing. Let's use division, sharing equally, to solve a word problem now. Chef Pierre the pig has baked 10 cookies. And he's feeling rather generous, so he's invited his friend Percy the pig over so he can share those cookies with Percy the pig. The question is, when we take the 10 cookies baked by Chef Pierre and divide them equally between Pierre and Percy, the two pigs, how many cookies will each pig end up with? So the first thing we must do to solve this word problem is count out a group of 10 cookies, hot out of the oven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's divide them between the two pigs. 1 for Pierre, 1 for Percy. Cookie for Pierre, cookie for Percy. Pierre, Percy. Pierre, Percy, Pierre, Percy. So now we have no cookies left from our original group of 10 because we have divided them evenly between Pierre and Percy. Let's count how many cookies each pig ended up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies for Pierre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cookies for Percy. 5 and 5 are the same, or 5 is equal to 5. So we know that we have successfully divided up the 10 cookies into 2 even equal groups. We started with 10 cookies and we divided them between 2 pigs. And each pig ended up with 5 cookies. So our answer is 5. Shall we do one more? Let's. Okay, this time we will invite more pigs to the party. So now we have Pierre, Percy, Penelope, and Peter. Pierre, Percy, Penelope, Peter, pig. And Pierre has now baked 12 cookies. So we're going to take 12 cookies and divide the cookies amongst 4 pigs into equal smaller groups. So let's start by counting out our group of 12 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, let's share the cookies. 1 for Pierre, 1 for Percy, 1 for Penelope, 1 for Peter. Cookie for Pierre, cookie for Percy, cookie for Penelope, cookie for Peter. 1 for Pierre, 1 for Percy, 1 for Penelope, 1 for Peter. Okay, there are no cookies left in our original group. How many cookies did each pig get? 1, 2, 3 for Pierre. 1, 2, 3 for Percy. 1, 2, 3 for Penelope. And 1, 2, 3 for Peter. We started with the 12 cookies that Pierre baked, and we divided them between Pierre and his friends. That was 4 pigs, and each pig ended up with 3 cookies. So since every pig ended up with the same quantity of cookies, we know that we've shared the cookies that Pierre baked fairly. 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So there you have it, my second year friends. Now you know how to do division. So you can go and find your word problems worksheet in week 13 and get dividing. Have a great day.